Xender is great for fast file transfers, but connection issues like weak Wi-Fi, hotspot problems, or app glitches can be frustrating. In this video, we'll cover 8 simple fixes to get Xender working smoothly again. Part 1. Why Xender doesn't connect phones. Wi-Fi hotspot issues, different connection modes, app interference, missing permissions, device compatibility, or joining the wrong network can prevent Xender from connecting. Part 2. How to fix Xender not connecting to devices. Fix 1. Keep phones close to each other. Fix 2. Enable Wi-Fi on both phones. Fix 3. Use the Connect to iPhone option. Fix 4. Use the QR code option. Fix 5. Grant app permissions. Fix 6. Restart both devices. Fix 7. Clean background apps. Fix 8. Reinstall Xender. Part 3. Try the best replacement for Xender stable. Wi-Fi hotspot issues, different connection modes, app interference, missing permissions, device compatibility, or joining the wrong network can prevent Xender from connecting. Part 3. Try the best replacement for Xender stable. Install Mobican Transfer for mobile and open it. Connect both devices via USB. Ensure the sender is on the left. Tap Flip if needed. Select file types. Click Start Copy and wait for the transfer to finish before disconnecting.